Best Luxury Convertibles for 2024 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. In the dynamic landscape of luxury convertibles for 2024, the 2024 Mercedes-Benz C-Class Cabriolet emerges as a formidable contender, blending elegance, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Renowned for its timeless design and refined driving experience, the latest C-Class Cabriolet continues to set new standards in the luxury convertible segment. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz C-Class Cabriolet offers a choice of potent engines designed to deliver exhilarating performance while maintaining efficiency. The base model, the C300 Cabriolet, is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 255 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking even more power, the Mercedes-AMG C43 Cabriolet boasts a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine generating 385 horsepower and 384 lb-ft of torque. Both models feature a 9-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive gear changes. Performance is a cornerstone of the 2024 C-Class Cabriolet's appeal. Its sport-tuned suspension, precise steering, and rear-wheel drive configuration deliver a dynamic and engaging driving experience. The available 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, standard on the AMG variant, enhances traction and stability, providing confidence-inspiring performance in various driving conditions. Whether navigating winding roads or cruising along the coastline, the C-Class Cabriolet offers a perfect balance of agility and comfort. Design-wise, the 2024 Mercedes-Benz C-Class Cabriolet exudes sophistication and refinement. Its sleek lines, graceful proportions, and iconic grille make a bold statement on the road. The power-operated soft top can be raised or lowered in just 20 seconds, even while driving at speeds up to 31 miles per hour, allowing for seamless transitions between open-air driving and enclosed comfort. Inside, the cabin offers a sanctuary of luxury, with premium materials, meticulous craftsmanship, and advanced technology. The available air-scarf neck-level heating system and air-cap wind deflector ensure comfort and serenity during top-down drives. Technology and innovation are key pillars of the 2024 C-Class Cabriolet's appeal. The Mercedes-Benz User Experience (MBUX) infotainment system, with its intuitive touchpad controller and voice recognition capabilities, provides seamless connectivity and access to a suite of features. The available Burmester surround sound system delivers immersive audio, while advanced driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and active parking assist enhance safety and convenience. Competing in the luxury convertible segment, the 2024 Mercedes-Benz C-Class Cabriolet faces rivals such as the BMW 4 Series Convertible, Audi A5 Cabriolet, and Lexus LC Convertible. The BMW 4 Series offers a blend of performance and luxury, the Audi A5 Cabriolet combines sophistication with sportiness, and the Lexus LC Convertible boasts striking design and refined comfort. In conclusion, the 2024 Mercedes-Benz C-Class Cabriolet stands out as a top choice in the luxury convertible market, offering a perfect synthesis of performance, elegance, and innovation. Whether for spirited drives or relaxed cruises, the C-Class Cabriolet delivers an unmatched open-air driving experience, reaffirming Mercedes-Benz's commitment to luxury and excellence.